What if I tell you that a blank notebook changed the whole life of an ordinary boy? Today's story will tell you that the real secret of success is not talent, but something else. There was once a boy named Ethan. He was 17 years old and lived in a small town. Ethan wasn't the smartest student in school. He wasn't the fastest runner. He wasn't the most talented musician. In fact, whenever people talked about successful students, his name was never mentioned. And slowly, Ethan started believing that he was ordinary. One evening, after receiving another disappointing test score, he walked home feeling defeated. The sky was gray. The streets were quiet, and his mind was filled with negative thoughts. Maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe success is for other people. Maybe I'll never achieve anything. When he reached home, he went straight to his room and threw his school bag into a corner. As he sat on his bed, his grandfather entered the room. His grandfather was a wise old man who rarely gave long speeches. Instead, he preferred teaching lessons through simple actions. He looked at Ethan and asked, "Bad day?" Ethan nodded. "I keep trying, Grandpa, but nothing changes." His grandfather remained silent for a moment. Then he walked to a shelf and took out an old notebook. The notebook looked worn and dusty. The pages had turned yellow with age. His grandfather handed it to Ethan. "I'll take this." Ethan opened it. Every page was completely blank. He looked confused. "Why are you giving me an empty notebook?" His grandfather smiled. "Because it looks exactly like your future." Ethan frowned. "What does that mean?" "It means nobody has written your story yet." That night, Ethan couldn't stop thinking about those words. Nobody has written your story yet. The next morning, he opened the notebook again. On the first page, he wrote day 1. That was all. Nothing impressive. Nothing special. Just 2 words, day 1. From that moment, Ethan made a promise. Every day, he would write down one thing he had improved. Just one. Some days were easy. Some days were difficult. But he never skipped a day. One day he wrote, "I learned 5 new English words." Another day, "I studied 30 minutes longer." Another, "I woke up early." The improvements were tiny, almost invisible, but they were real. Weeks turned into months. The notebook slowly filled with entries. At first, nobody noticed a difference. His grades were still average. His life still looked normal. But something was changing. Not outside, inside. Ethan was becoming more disciplined, more patient, more confident. One afternoon, a classmate laughed at him. "You work so hard, but you're still average." The words hurt. For a moment, Ethan wanted to quit. But that evening, he opened the notebook. Page after page reminded him how far he had come. He realized something important. A success isn't built in a single day. It's built one day at a time. So he kept going. A year passed, then another. By now, the notebook was nearly full. Ethan had written hundreds of entries, hundreds of small improvements, hundreds of tiny victories. And those tiny victories were beginning to create big results. His grades improved. His confidence improved. His communication skills improved. People started noticing. Teachers praised him. Friends asked for advice. But Ethan never forgot where he started. Then came the biggest challenge of his life. A scholarship exam. Thousands of students would compete. Only a few would win. The competition was intense. Many students spent months preparing. Some had private tutors. Others attended expensive coaching programs. Ethan had none of those advantages. The night before the exam, fear returned. The same fear he had felt years ago. What if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? What if all this work was pointless? Unable to sleep, he opened the notebook one last time. He turned to the first page, day 1. Then he flipped through the pages. Every page represented effort. Every page represented growth. Every page represented a choice. The choice to continue. By the time he reached the final page, his fear had disappeared. The next morning, he walked into the exam hall with confidence. Weeks later, the results arrived. His hands trembled as he opened the email. For a few seconds, he couldn't breathe. Then he saw the words. Congratulations. He had earned the scholarship. Ethan sat quietly. Not because he was surprised, because he finally understood something. The scholarship wasn't won on exam day. It was won during all those ordinary days. The days nobody saw. The days nobody celebrated. The days he chose to keep going. Years later, Ethan became a successful entrepreneur. People often asked him, "What's the secret of your success?" Most expected a complicated answer. A special strategy. A hidden formula. But Ethan always gave the same response. He would smile and say, "It started with an empty notebook." People usually laughed. They thought he was joking. But he wasn't. Because that notebook taught him the most important lesson of his life. You don't need extraordinary talent to create an extraordinary future. You need consistent effort. Small actions repeated every day. Tiny improvements. Patient progress. And the courage to continue when results are invisible. One evening, many years later, Ethan visited his grandfather. The old man was sitting on the porch watching the sunset. Ethan placed the notebook beside him. The notebook was now completely full. Not a single blank page remained. His grandfather looked at it and smiled. And so he said, "How did the story end?" Ethan looked toward the horizon. Then he smiled and replied, "It didn't end. It was only the first chapter." And that's the truth about success. No matter where you are today, your story is still being written. Your future is still blank. Your next chapter is waiting. The question is not whether you are talented. The question is, what will you write on your next page? If you liked the video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.